Also here we have to add a box or plane or something to close this area, because once we export this file to the Lumion, uh, there will not be something empty inside the building. So yeah, let's do this one. So we'll select plane here. So select this one, snap toggle, okay, and select the first one. That's good. Do the same thing here. Close this area. The top we will not do anything because it's in the project, and the project photo. It's not closed, so there is a gap here. So we'll leave it as it. Now we will now move each of these and close the gap. Okay. Remove the selection from the snap toggle. Okay, here, and let me open this one. Okay, and it will be like this. Okay, the second one, which is this one here, and okay, move it till here. So this is the room, this one. So yeah, now it's closed. Now it's closed now 100%. And let's put the color here. I mean the wall color, which is this one here. Assign, and this one assign. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.